Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now today I am back with a new video. Today I am going to show how to attach blueprint and calculate the area of land by using AutoCAD. Now today at first I want to say one thing, that before attaching the file we have to make sure that the blueprint size, the actual size of blueprint must be scanned in its actual form. For example, if your blueprint is in the form of A4 size, then it must be scanned in A4 size form and must be uh, in the format of JPG. If it is in the form of A2 size, then it must be scanned with a paper size of A2. Then only the area can be calculated as it is in the field. Otherwise, if the size differs, then actual area will not be occurred. So at first we have to make sure that our unit and our dimensions are ready, or it is okay. Then we go to insert, as I have already got one blueprint. Then go to attach. I have this blueprint name 1. Then I will open it. Yeah, then how can we paste? I will now paste by clicking in attach. Then remember one thing, if in this blueprint, in every blueprint we can see at the top right corner there is size. In my blueprint there is 1:500, so I will write 500 over here and then I will click OK. Other will be same. Then OK. After clicking OK, I will paste it over here. Look, this is in the form of A2 size. So as I have already told that this is in the form of 1:500, so I have written 500 over there. Now we can calculate the area of any land. Suppose here I have to calculate this land, but let me calculate the smaller one so it will be easier and faster to know. My cursor is not being seen here. Wait, I will show. I will calculate the area of this kitta number 127 by using polyline. For polyline I have told that there is command pl, so I will click at one point. Let's not mismatch the line or overlap and continue drafting. So do as fine as possible so our area will not be different. So now I will escape this and I will click on this polyline. As I have taught in earlier video how to calculate area of building, similarly we can calculate the area of land or plot as well. So I will enter the command li space, then it will appear in this format. Sorry, here it is 1432.55 square feet. I will copy it and I will write over here, so it will be more easier to see. This land plot number 127 is of area 1432.55 square feet. Thank you, and please don't forget to like, subscribe and keep watching. I will be posting other new videos, and comment in the comment section that is needed for you. Thank you.